This is not clickbait. All of the best AI models in the world are now completely free on Higgsfield, but it's only gonna last about one more day, so I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm just gonna show you how to do it. Obviously, this video is sponsored by Higgsfield, but this is truly an amazing deal. Here's how to get unlimited free access. First, go through the special link that I have in my description to get to higgsfield.ai. You'll likely be greeted by this pop-up for the promotion. If that's the case, just click right here to sign up. If for some reason there's no pop-up, just go up here to the upper right of the homepage and click the sign up button. Both of these routes will prompt you to create an account. Just continue with your email, verify that you're human, answer some questions about how you want to use Higgsfield so that they can tailor the experience to match your needs. And now we're looking at this promotional pop-up. This is a great promotion, but it's not the free one. So we're just gonna close this, skip to the next offer because this is also not the free one. And now on the pricing page, here we've got a banner for 24 hours unlimited. It's right up at the top, totally free. Click here to get the free trial for $0. Now you've got to put in your payment info because this makes it easy for you to continue your subscription in case you like the trial enough to continue with a paid subscription to Higgsfield. Don't worry, it's really easy to cancel that auto renewal, and I'll show you how to do that later in the video, but for right now, we need to complete this step to move on and start the free trial. And just like that, the sign up is complete, the trial is activated, and we have unlimited access to all of the best AI models on Higgsfield, totally for free for 24 hours. But there's one thing that I want to walk you through so that you don't get tripped up. When you open up image gen or video gen or audio gen, we have to make sure that we have unlimited toggled on to get our generations to go through. Because with the free trial and the welcome offer, you only have 10 credits, which is enough for a couple of image generations, but it's not enough to actually really try out any of the best models. Lucky for us, we've got free unlimited. Anyway, you'll notice here in image gen that we have nanobanana Pro selected, but the generate button still has a credit cost indicator on it. To the left of the generate button is the unlimited toggle. And if you hit that, now our generation is totally free. What you may have noticed though is that unlimited generations do, contrary to their name, actually have some limits. Images like nanobanana Pro and Banana 2 are limited to 2K resolution in unlimited mode. For 4K gens, you'll need a paid account and use credits. Similar restrictions apply to video gen as well. Yes, you can generate amazing videos for free using Seedance 2.0 during these 24 hours, but unlimited is restricted to 720p resolution and 8-second duration on the generation. Anything higher like 1080p or 4K resolution or 15-second full-length generations, those are going to be credits only and you won't be able to use them for free. Most of the top-of-the-line models have some sort of restriction in place with unlimited generations, but it's not very hard to find where those restrictions are. Higgsfield does a pretty good job of steering you in the right direction of the unlimited generations. Unlimited mode does come with two more caveats though. The first being that the generation queues and render times can be a bit longer than if you're using typical credited generations. Those put you in sort of like the generation fast lane. Now I've tested whether unlimited gens are truly that much slower than using regular credit generations, and honestly, I haven't noticed much of a difference, but that's not to say that it doesn't happen. Other people I've talked to have experienced this, and it wouldn't surprise me, especially with this promotion, how many people are going to be on here sending in generations to the data centers and everything. I think it might get a little bit backlogged. It's going to take a little bit longer to load than if you're using regular credited generations. So that wouldn't surprise me, but that is just one thing to keep in mind with the unlimited gen. Also, some of Higgsfield's extra tools and systems like their MCP to Claude, their Cinema Studio, and their Canvas workflow do not take unlimited generation when you're creating content through them. So these ones, of course, can't really be tried out in the free trial because there's no unlimited access to them. So to get the full Higgsfield experience and see how those tools work, it definitely is necessary to have a paid account with some credits. Or you can watch my own videos on them where I go in depth through them and show you how they work and how they don't. That said, with all of these AI models and one day to test them out, you're gonna have your hands full playing around with just the image and video generation. So I don't think you'll really miss it for this 24-hour trial. Now, if you've signed up but you don't want to continue with a paid membership right away, you don't want to commit to that's okay, because it's really only one click to stop your auto renewal, and I'll show you how to do that right here. Go up to the profile menu on the upper right, select manage account, and then go over to subscription. At the top of the subscription page, you'll see a banner for your 1-day free trial. and at the bottom of this banner, you can just click cancel auto renewal. This will bring up a confirmation dialog just to be sure. You can just click cancel renewal, this red button, and now your auto renewal has been canceled. But you can still use your trial, your unlimited generations, just like if you hadn't canceled it, for the remainder of your 24 hours. So like get back in there and keep doing some cool tests. And of course, you can always change your mind and upgrade to a paid account later on if you want. So that is the full step-by-step process to getting free Higgsfield with all of the best AI models in the world for a full 24 hours. But again, this is only a limited time thing. It's got about a day left on the promotion when I'm posting this video. So if you're interested, you definitely need to take advantage of that while it lasts. If you want to learn more about Higgsfield and see what the newest AI video models offer on that site, check out this video up over here. I think this one will be really interesting to you.